different type of like, I don't know what it is. Like all I wanted to do was just work, 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 work. So once you get that in you, like it's just like you can't stop.
Swear I done been now so long. Watch you leave without it so long. Tell you as a man, my word bond. You don't know a thing about no love. Tell me when the world got this cold. These days, man, I'm never surprised. Lying, tell me, look me dead in the eyes. We together, then we severing ties. Feeling pain, how I know I'm alive. Prehistoric, I'm ahead of my time. You could probably find me 10 toes down here with whatever's left of my kind. And you know I'm forever gon' vibe. Yeah, I'ma ride. Then I care if they hating on me. What are you saying to me? It is what it is if he say it's gon' be. Dog is amazing to me, and I had that to chain when he gave me the key. I know they thinking it's sweet, but I'm built cause it ain't for the weak. Heaven is waiting on me. This for my son, he made me proud. Blessing, I'm raising a king. Them are my dogs, them my guys. I'm finna make sure they eat. All is fair, love and war. I'm doing dangerous things. Step in the game, run on the scope. Now they ain't making no peak. Really got rocky out on the road. Me and my brothers, we all don't go. Give me that life, we all gon' glow. Back then, felt like I was on my own. They didn't wanna see me fall, yeah. Devil came to knock me all, yeah. Never let them have my soul, yeah. Know you see me standing tall, yeah. Know you see me standing. Know you see me standing. Know you see me standing. Hey, hey. Who stopping they can't help me, riddle me that. This is me running my victory lap. Finish line, that's where I'm finna be at. Give me the mic, I ain't giving it back. Industry under a vicious attack. It look like the fight is a setup. I'm giving them slaps and they not even hitting me back. Festivals want me on flights. When I send them my price, they ain't hitting me back. Look, you don't plan on giving me jack. Don't even bother with hit my jack. Out of your box, but I've been in my bag. Demons, I smoke an infinity pack. Want me to go back and forth with you, shawty? I'm sorry, that's not where my energy at. Picture me signing an NDA. Got better chances of making an NBA. The way they minding everybody business, but they own. Shoulda won and got an MBA. Moving like they working with the FBI, the CIA, and the DEA. Praying, but you never finna see me pray. Digging in my pockets, wanna see me pay. Keep your hands off of my royalty check. Crown on my head and my royalty check. Brothers won't fold on their loyalty check. Guess he ain't learned how to toy with me yet. This time around, I want all the respect. They want all of the motion, want all the connects. Money on that, you could call it a bet. Put up the shot and it's all in the net. Who stopping they can't help me, riddle me that. This is me running my victory lap. Finish line, that's where I'm finna be at. Give me the mic, I ain't giving it back. Industry under a vicious attack. It look like the fight is a setup. I'm giving them slaps and they not even hitting me back. Facts. That's facts.
All right, let's start this. Okay, so all right, we had yesterday. Yesterday, and then a strong bullish candle pushing back up near highs. after a major rejection. So what I can see happening again is, given we're currently in a doji, I see it's just pushing up to highs. We might start stalling. Wednesday, Thursday, we might start going sideways, up and down, like we did here. Once we hit it, we might start going up and down until Friday. Friday might give us a move, or we might just push, or we might push through. But I do believe first off we're getting back up here and then start seeing how price move. In a 4 hour. Yeah, after the move yesterday, it just stalled. So we might be looking for a break and retest, a break out of this level. On the 1 hour. I had the move yesterday. Hit the second level. Second level was holding us strong resistance. Bottom level came back to hold us support. Ended up becoming consolidation zone. So we'll look for a breakout, retest, unless there's something low in the lower time frame. Yeah, it's not much to really go off of, because after yesterday, like when yesterday was moving, how where could price be going with all this movement? And that's how we came up on these two levels. These two levels come from this touch, this touch, this touch, this touch, this, just multiple touches decided to be a level. And then this top level was the last high structure, was the last structure that supported the highs. So right here, boom, this support, and then it finally got broken, but it never came back to it. So that's why I marked this one and this one. So the top one was for the last support structure, and the bottom was for the last relative high resistance. Until we just took it out. So now we're stuck here, consolidation. And from where we're at, to get back near highs, it's 20 points. So we can definitely find a move here. if we get a break retest, we can definitely find a move here. But the 15 minute isn't really showing much. EMA below. Like I said, we're just sideways in our level. Just keeping it simple. It's not really showing us much. We don't worry about much. I'm just trying to see if there's any exact levels price kept stopping at. Not really exact levels, just in this range. May put a line here. Because we got, because it's touch here, touch, and might be something, might not. like this could be the level instead of the top. This could be the level now. This right here, structure. As well as look at on the 5 is using EMA as support. You can also point this out as liquidity down here. Or I mean support resistance is one of those, I guess using EMA this is support. Stop, because we stop here, 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 all this. Give a double bottom. Yep, so just rejecting support to a double bottom. Double bottom, taking support out. I mean, taking structure out. If we were to get on another sell, to get on a buy, to potentially buy from here, we'll look for a retest of this structure level. Grabbing this liquidity, retest the structure level, maybe hitting EMA again, maybe hitting the bottom level, or coming all the way back down to hitting this. But a retest of this area, because we need liquidity to get grabbed. Give us a rejection candle for the entry. We're just gonna look to take it higher from down here. Getting like down here on the EMA touch, I'll probably look to take it here. 14 points. That's a good trade. Don't gotta go too high. And if it just moves like it did yesterday, then we're probably hitting top. $30 points, yeah. But that's another possibility. So far we have 2 possible wear trades. We got 2 possible wear entries. Break and retest of this level, or a liquidity grab retest of this area. Both looking at buys today.
ever said a prayer to the Lord that was so deep you didn't want to sin. When I walk with the Holy Spirit, it's like putting my toes in the sand. I went back to the garden, had to find out who I am.
Lord, I ask for your grace over my life as I repent of my sins. I'm asking you to place your anointing over these lyrics and not only fill me with your spirit, but with all the words to carry out this message. And more importantly, give me the energy. Amen. Blaze, do my beats. Yeah. Look, he gave me the energy, cause the enemy had me so lazy. The moment that I hit a beat drop, it's like the Holy Spirit go crazy. Even through all of my lies, depression and anger, he still came through and he saved me. All he want me to do is just talk about it. Since I'm living, he already paid me crazy. I was too focused on what didn't matter, yet he was still with me the whole time. Untied, every soul tie when I repented, he made the soul rise. No more lies, ain't no more cries. Now that I'm alive, I know it's on the line. Used to hope to die because I know that I had made the same mistakes about 40 times. I'm forgiven, and it's written, yeah. So I don't even know what I'm worried about. The enemy try to discourage my mouth. The spirit within me keeps blurting it out, and I know that God gon' keep working it out. When I start overthinking, it furthers the doubt and confuses me about what I'm learning about. It's lessons, gotta get through it to get to the blessings. I'm done with the guessing, delivered from stressing. Even obedient when I'm under pressure is getting too easy when I'm getting tested. The devil was using me, making a fool of me. God, you've been patient with me, you've been true to me. Need you to guide me, cause all this is new to me. Help me get over the person I used to be. And I finally listened, and the Lord is a witness. So let me get out of my feelings, cause now I'm forgiven. And he broke down all the layers. Now I'm elevating up the stairs. I know that he heard all my prayers, cause I am forgiven. I stopped following all of the trends. Then he started replacing my friends. Now I don't even remember my sins, cause I am forgiven. That's why it's so easy for me to be open. I gotta put them on notice, cause I don't even think they notice that I am Every time I feel like I come up with a plan, the devil be plotting his motive too. Discussing with God on my weaknesses, but I just hate that the enemy know him too. I am not like all these other artists who be selling their music with no truth. Not just telling you about what I came from, but I be telling you about what I'm going through. I've been reading my Bible for clarity. I just been seeking some answers. I'm searching, watching my parents divorce after 20 years. You can't tell me the devil not working, man, that really hurt me. I am affected by these generational curses. I guess that's a regular thing, but I'm not a regular person. No, I'm not perfect, but I'ma change the industry. I'm about to set it on fire. Sending me in like I'm Jeremiah. Sending me in, but I'm not the Messiah. Sending me in like I'm Moses. They trying to play with God like we don't know this. Isn't it obvious? Everyone knows it. But if they don't, then I'm here to expose it. All of these lyrics he put on my brain. Glory to God, he been going insane. All of the snakes that be trying to remain just want to distract me with money and fame. I used to get tempted, but now I refrain. I have now broken through all of the chains. Ain't no one else in my lane. I'ma have everyone saying the name, Jesus. And I finally listened, and the Lord is a witness. So let me get out of my feelings, cause now I'm forgiven. And he broke down all the layers. Now I'm elevating up the stairs. I know that he heard all my prayers, cause I am forgiven. I stopped following all of the trends. Then he started replacing my friends. Now I don't even remember my sins, cause I am forgiven. That's why it's so easy for me to be open. I gotta put them on notice, cause I don't even think they notice that I am forgiven.
Yeah. Okay. But yeah, that's all it said. Yeah, just we don't really have much to look for in the 1 minute. It doesn't really change much. We just have the constant sloping down. It's not really hitting any levels. You could say like, oh, at this level, had this little zone here, consolidation, broke, built liquidity, double top, retest, sell off. That's cool. That's a setup. That's a cool setup. Yeah, we're not really seeing much else. Same levels. On the lower side, it's the same. Where this retest, hit, and look, the same level. Price started stalling here. But this level, the reason I'm not marking this level because it's in the middle of our zone. So even if this setup happened like now, I wouldn't be taking this setup to sell back down. I don't like trading in the middle of consolidation zones. I'll either trade. I mainly look to trade the outside. Like I said, a break a zone, retest, continue a trend, or I might take a trade like today. Retest of the bottom to take it back to the top. But I don't like taking trades in the center. But now we just waiting. Oh, we can check. We can check news. We got no news today. Oh, we got a yellow folder at 9 and 3:30, 4:30. But given the yellow folders, I don't pay them much attention. There may be certain ones, I can't think of the names off my head, but there are some yellow folders I'm like, okay, this may have an impact. But for the most part, I don't pay yellow folders much attention. Tomorrow, same, we got oil. I don't trade oil, but to like this right here, if you trade the oil futures, this may have an impact. Thursday, so far we have orange, and Friday we might have CPI if the government can get back on board. We might. There's really no telling, given it seems we're still shut down. But yeah, Friday might be big. It's looking like my thesis, my analysis might be flowing. We may hit back top Wednesday, Thursday. We're gonna stall until Friday gives us a big move. And especially if all these red folders actually do hit, yeah, it's gonna be some moves Friday. Let's see if there's anything relevant on the news time. EU looks soft on criminal. The Fed has a big decision to make without key data. The government shutdown has cut off economic data just as weak job numbers. Yeah, strong GDP growth presents a puzzle for the central bank. The puzzle is less incomplete, and they will have to use their judgment to fill in the gaps. One can say the Fed's upcoming decisions as they prepare to meet a 10-day on interest rates. Federal Reserve officials are very divided over key question: how worried they ought to be about the U.S. labor market. Some folks are less concerned about the downside of labor. Well, that's what we have for news. Might be the Fed might have to force out the fund rates change without having full data to back their claim.
On their back, then died on the beam. Really thought he was off for the scene. Yeah, he really took one for the team. Think I'm a fold? Like, what do you mean? I ain't no folder. Holy Spirit got got me up, I'm on this boulder. God tell me go, I ask somewhere, cause I'm a soldier. God coming back like every day, we getting closer. We getting close, so I'm like, still rockin' with Satan, I think you should dog him. He got problems, you cannot solve. Still rockin' with Satan, I think you should dog him. He got problems, you cannot solve. Still rockin' with Satan, I think you should dog him. He got problems, you cannot solve. Still rockin' with Satan, I think you should dog him. You need to switch sides, could be rolling with big guy, but you acting a fool. Like why? Why is you acting a fool for real? Tell me you like the lose.
So, I mean, we see this level. Is this level lined up with this previous level? Not entirely. It's close. It's relative. Lines up with these. Yeah, it's definitely a level.
The crazy thing is, imagine God going to Lucifer in heaven and telling that man,
You got problems. You cannot solve.
Let's go. I need more of you. I'm undone when I walk in the door to you. You've been speaking, I'm done with ignoring you. Lord, I'm ready to step in the war with you. It's some people you told me to pour into. Like, why does my mind trying to border you? Let me look at the debt that you tore into. Who gon' lead me to freedom? It's only you. I wake up at 7 and scroll till 11 when I know I should be adoring you. I look back and repent. I can't worship no idols, then walk in and kneel on the floor with you. I'm trying to live what I'm rapping on. We on a team where we do it. The captain on view it. I see I can't look up to Babylon. I'm trying to speak with my life when they Babylon. He's so holy. Yeah, he coming back in the fire. Straight to our knees and we off in the cross to the king. Finna praise him like ain't no tomorrow. That ain't one. I laid down my life to the great one. He stepped on the neck of the snake one. He gave me a glass of his love. I drank one. Jesus in my life, cause I can't. Jesus in my life, cause I can't wait. Jesus in my life, cause I can't sleep. Need a couple more days by the pool. Need a place where I don't need a tool. More grace cause I stay breaking rules. Gold chains cause I can't afford jewels. I need more than handshakes, fake grins. I need more than pine saw for my sins. I need more than just racks with an M's at. How you even get jack? Where your real friends at? Need some more people who don't just say that they love me, but when the time come they gon' actually show up. Not just texting to keep a connection cause they got the message that I'm finna blow up. Keep me out, said I'm not really Christian cause I blow prescription and I was like, hold up. All that walking around like you flawless is making me nauseous and I'm finna throw up. All I see is the kids with no demonstrations and grown-ups who actually grow up. Not pretending you perfect, but maybe admitting that really you actually toe up. From the flow up, I don't need nothing back when I show up. Why you waiting on blessings to come down? All you need is more praises to go up.
if you ain't on my team, what you talk about? I'm with my brothers, you know we gon' walk it out. I got a drop on the op and we poppin' now. We don't do violence, you know that we praying loud. Know a few brothers who just started hitting now. Why is you hating now? If I got any debts, I'ma pay it now. If I see a demon, I'ma slay it now. Lay down my life so I stand out. Pulling out blessings, I don't need no handout. Walking my purpose, so no way I can doubt. Up on the scene with the Lord and we branch out. In the back of the scene with the camp house. Remember my brothers will camp out. We ain't worried about nothing, just cause we know that our whole life is planned out. I see the hate when I look through my people. Hundreds of shots and I know they gon' reload. Feeling healthy, it must be all the keto. You acting foul, I'ma shoot me a free throw. Power my blood, they must all be mosquitoes. I'ma take off and come find me, let Nemo. Holy Spirit warm me up like a fever. I don't need none of that Neiman, I just need Jesus. Hold up, came from the ground, held it down in a season. Now I'm up in God I trust. I ain't perfect, make the cut. Demons around me, keep it tucked. If I make it, then my brothers get cuts. If I said it, then I miss it, it's up. I embody the phrase, keep it a butt. Got a bad wife, knew the day that I cuss. Equally yoked, that means spiritually tough. If you ain't on my team, what you talk about? I'm with my brothers, you know we gon' walk it out. I got a drop on the op and we poppin' now. We don't do violence, you know that we praying loud. Know a few
brothers who just started hitting now. Why is you hating now? If I got any debts, I'ma pay it now. If I see a demon, I'ma slay it now. Lay down my life so I stand out. Pulling out blessings, I don't need no handout. Walking my purpose, so nowhere I can doubt. Up on the scene with the Lord, and we branch out. In the back of the scene with the camp house. Remember, my brothers will camp out. We ain't worried about nothing, just cause we know that our whole life is planned out.
Life been crazy right now, you know what I'm saying? But like, what was your favorite song on the tape? Like, what was you?
I like the one that goes like, hard work, talent, turn my rocks to rubies,
So I can't get gluey. Alright, let me just play it real quick. You know what I'm saying?
You know I'm witty like GP. I told my baby my time is on CP. Last name ain't seen her, but you cannot see me. Lil' nigga love me, ain't worried about Kiki. Mike Jack Thriller might hit her like hee. Leg out the window, kiss kicking like Fifi. Way I'm slapping demons, you thinking lil' CC. God told me hit the road, now I like meat. And I slide, ride with God like it's Bonnie and Clyde. He told me hit the highway, I replied. If you want it, you got it on God. When it's pressure, you picking a side. I hit the road, I got souls on my mind. God made a feast, I just want you to dine. Where you gon' go when it's really your time? You ain't got time, that's why I slide. Ride with God like it's Bonnie and Clyde. He told me hit the highway, I replied. If you want it, you got it on God. When it's pressure, you picking a side. I hit the road, I got souls on my mind. God made a feast, I just want you to dine. Where you gon' go when it's really your time? You ain't got time. Me and my homies, we on 10 like the top floor. We gon' let it go, bring them dogs like Rocco. Satan ain't mad at my family. That's a low blow, tryna take me out the hands of God. That's a no-no. Talking to the Lord, he say go get him from the bando. Say they got that cancer. I'm walking with the spirit, I got answers. Designer got them blind till they could answer, but this a different stanza. I keep it black and white like burn. They say better what she wrote though. I ain't got no hope, so I'm in love with the coco. Shawty want a thug and a plug on the low. Hit him with a slug, send her home like Toto. If you want that beef, got it, yeah. If you want that beef, I got beef by the bolo. Homie, I'm the king of the streets and I won't fall. Homie, I'm the king of the streets and I. But can you tell me where your pain go when you lay low? And the weight is on your shoulder like an anvil. You looking over your shoulder, but you just can't show. Praying to God that he just see you an angel. God made a feast and he want you at the table. You can just slide, leave all that weight by the side. What God wanna give you gon' cost you your life, but you gon' end up gaining life if you just
The
slide.
maimed, and the halt, and the blind, and the servant said, Lord, it is done as thou hast commanded, and yet there is room. And the Lord said unto the servant, Go out unto the hedges, highways, and compel them to come in, that my house may be filled.
And I slide, ride with God like it's Bonnie and Clyde. He told me hit the highway, I replied. If you want it, you got it on God. When it's pressure, you picking a side. I hit the road, I got souls on my mind. God made a feast, I just want you to dine. Where you gon' go when it's really your time? You ain't got time, that's why I slide. Ride with God like it's Bonnie and Clyde. He told me hit the highway, I replied. If you want it, you got it on God. When it's pressure, you picking a side. I hit the road, I got souls on my mind. God made a feast, I just want you to dine. Where you gon' go when it's really your time? You ain't got time.
Always love. Bring on the children. Imitate the children. Not childish, but childlike.
I believe in God, you know? Does that faith sustain you? Of course it does.
Go tell Jesus, I'm finna rap for his people, so boot up and let's get groovy. I went to college, my heart got broken. The spirit say, homie, I think you could use me. Devil so deep in his feelings, cause I was his day one, so he never thought he'd lose me. God said, cut, wrote me a brand new script. I look up in my life a movie. Let's keep focused. Used to be money and cars and women that I was promoting. Figured out sitting still waiting on him instead of chasing the flesh is really having motion. Drink from a cup that don't never run empty. Now I'm living sober, that's the real potion. My life is trashy, ratchet, ashy, anointing oil, that's the real lotion. Fly as a bird, ain't no feathers with me. Sword of the spirit, got heaven with me. Angels, I keep about 7 with me. With Jesus, ain't nobody better than me. Pray for my people, whoever with me. Elijah, he changing the weather for me. Preaching y'all way from the mountains, Wyoming to Memphis, to way out the Netherlands Sea. Learn to fight back with the scripture. Devil on me, but he came up too short, blow the whistle. Lucifer sinning temptation, I brush him all off like I'm trying to get away from a bristle. Used to pour lick in the cup with a simpler, ain't want nothing less, it came with a little fizzle. Now I drink holy water like prescription, the word got me taking off like a missile. Fly as a cockpit, devil he want me to stop it, or he trying to block it, but I told them demons to watch this, or they get the biz, you dig, I'm teaching my for what it is, you dig. We don't do saves, you dig, I know how to really get saved, you dig. I'm running my race, you dig? The first I be last in place, you dig? Holy Spirit in place, you dig? You see it all over my face, you dig? We tie like a lace, you dig? He kept me from catching a case, you dig? No, bump that, switch the flow up. Ay. Yeah, you cute, body on fleek, but that BBL ain't gon' teach you how to pray. Out with your girls and you fluent with club promoters, but in church ain't got nothing to say. You say nobody can handle you, sound like the spirit of Jezebel stuck in your way. Baby, don't come to me, I just might lay hands on your inner seat and pray it away. You say body, Meg say ID, giving it up make you feel like a hottie. He come through probably double the county, he judging your past, calling you a thotty. How about both y'all wrong? That temple belong to the Lord, ain't even your body. All of a sudden the truth gets spoke. Now I'm seeing people connection get spotted. I'm from the south side of heaven, from 300 block, and I got it on lock like Scotty. Gave up the money for God, I'm better than ever. My spirit got rich like Roddy. Don't get it twisted, we been trusting God ever since we was eating Viennas and potty. Demons want pressure, that's cool, let me know, that's for sure. Ain't no recoil on heavenly shotty. New AR on my hip, I got a clip of the ESV. New King James, that don't work, then I'ma switch to the NIV. Claiming the church, push them away, that don't sound right, that's too OD. I know I changed, but won't switch up. I love my hood, and that's on me.
Now they gon' call me the Bible thumper. Giving them praise on the day that they keep it authentic. I'm done with the covers. Yeah, I with it talking to God and he telling me underlay. Go get your brothers, we ready no other way. Call that K Diamond, he hopped out the kitchen, been cooking with butter. They thought that I stuttered, I didn't. Call me the Christian Cardona, my business. He changed my heart and my soul and my vision. They wonder why I be so passionate with it. Came out the dirt, I'm a new man. Down in my sin, now we fly like a toucan. Changing my life in the 20, it's 2 chains. On me got new lanes, buddy, new frames on me. We good, we good. Call me Lil Carney, I'm cool with it. Long as we keeping it holy, I'm cool with it. They tryna sell out their soul for the riches and numbers, but dog, I got nothing to do with it. Been on the shit of the kingdom, they think I'ma stop when I'm on, but we just getting started. Ain't on my yay, but y'all moving so hard. Let's say that we giving the world with no caution. Yeah.
Worshiping God on the 808, now they gon' call me the Bible thumper. Look, I believe that is divine when God intertwined into all of my plans, man. God is the most high, tell me why would I ever be popping a Zan? And I don't depend on my flesh for all of the things I don't understand, cause he understand. I feel like Tom Brady when I put it right into his hands, and that's when he touched down on all of my prayers. He gave me the keys, I feel like a mayor. All of the blessings he rain on my life, when I see a op, all they do is stare. Anytime that I stop thumping the Bible, I'm walking in circles cause I'm unaware. I really hate to revisit the past, but I walk in purpose whenever I share. Out of the shadows and back on the road, the path is narrow, I'm walking slow. Wherever the Lord is, I wanna go. That's why I repent what he already know. Can't be on the low. I talk to God on a day-to-day, even when I'm on the go. Already know. Worshiping God on the 808s cause he anointed the flow. The light.
Draw me closer to your heart until I become one with you, Lord. God, I knew right from the start, nothing is greater than your love. As I hide under your wings, I know I'm well protected. I'm alive when I die for me. Jesus, you are my present. I don't need to fight.
facing. I see the picture you painting. Every little story is amazing. When the sun rises, I see your mercy. If I drink from you, I won't be thirsty. Like the Israelites in the desert, I will not move if your spirit ain't that, Lord. When I'm crying alone in my bedroom, and no one sees what I am going through, you are sat on the side of my bed, keeping me closer and keeping me fed. That's why I always trust in you instead. Jesus, I thank you for the blood you shed. Yeah. Jesus, I thank you for the blood you shed. Yes. I don't need to fight. Lord, you're already closer. You set me apart. The other one is over. I don't need to fight. Lord, you're already closer. You set me apart. The other one is over. As I hide under your wings, I know I'm well protected. I'm alive when I die for me. Jesus, you are my present.
Yeah. Yeah.
AJ, get exotic with it.
Young. Yeah. Spirit had to get it jumping, so I had to crank up on the praise. I was really getting busy in the trap. I had to go to God and give it all away. Psalm 9:10, you can tell me that you trust him if you don't even know his name. Y'all can talk about the things going in the world. Jesus coming back in any day. Yeah, so I'ma just stick to the message. I'm about to deliver the message. Can't chill with the wrong type of people. They always just try come around just to mess up my blessings. But one thing about all of my haters, I promise I love them. Why would I be sitting here stressing? Lord, I've been down on my knees, praying. I'm hoping you hear me speak. In my mind, I was stuck. G.O.D. set me free. Crazy, I was just living in doubt. I didn't know all the mountains that Abba was moving for me. Really had to sit and think about how I was moving, and really I couldn't even see. It was so hard for me to believe in him. Really took the whole heart off the sleeve for him. I can finally say I get my peace from him. 'Cause I used to get it from the drugs. I used to hate and never love. My life was bumpy for so long. Christ brought me up just like a dove. I forget how much I make, but all these souls I'm adding up. 'Cause man, the kingdom is at hand. I got no time to mess it up. Yeah, spirit had to get it jumping, so I had to crank up on the praise. I was really getting busy in the trap. I had to go to God and give it all away. Psalm 9:10, you can tell me that you trust him if you don't even know his name. Y'all can talk about the things going in the world. Jesus coming back in any day. Yeah, I just been focused on blessings. I cannot be stuck on a Benjamin. Really just getting started like Genesis. Got a whole lot of Bible blick in my artillery. You don't know what type of Genesis. You don't know if it's KJV or it's NIV, but they all got a standing clip. If my friends was money, I'd rather have 4 quarters than 100 pennies. 'Cause the more I'm with her, just the more they give me. And my spirit jumping like it's Jordan with me. See me shining out, yeah, 'cause the Lord with me. I would go it out just like a poor city. Everywhere I'm moving, know I gotta be sharp, so I keep the sword with me. Yeah, spirit had to get it jumping, so I had to crank up on the praise. I was really getting busy in the trap. I had to go to God and give it all away. Psalm 9:10, you can tell me that you trust him if you don't even know his name. Y'all can talk about the things going in the world. Jesus coming back in any day.
My perfect life was shattered. What a gift from God.
Preacher said I'm suffering 'cause I ain't got enough faith. I ain't got enough faith. Heard him say it's my season, all I gotta do is wait. All you gotta do is wait. I've been waiting a long time, might not get it till I'm on. We've been waiting a long time, God, I need your spirit. Show me that I'm not alone. Show me that I'm not alone. Show me that I'm not alone. If you got whatever you wanted, you might not get this song. If you just wanted stuff, it's gonna be tough to sing along. I'm talking about shaking your world, the Richter can't measure. I'm talking about finding out God and pain working together. Had to squint your eyes at God like you ain't never met him. At the same time, it guaranteed that you won't forget him. Singing worship to you, reminiscent of a diss. I love God, but clearly I'm blind. Who is this? God, you had one job, I mean one job. Why I gotta rain so hard before the sun shine? Why I gotta rain so hard gotta rain so hard before the sun shine. Please, can you pray Romans 8 over my life? God, can you slay all the evil in my mind? God, can you stay? I need you by my side. God, can you stay? I need you by my side. Preacher said I'm suffering cause I ain't got enough faith. I ain't got enough faith. Heard him say it's my season, all I gotta do is wait. All you gotta do is wait. I've been waiting a long time, might not get it till I'm on. We've been waiting a long time, I don't need your spirit. Show me that I'm not alone. Show me that I'm not alone. Let me tell you about my homie Christian, you gotta love him. Met him when I was 19, thought he was shy. He can't speak, partially blind in both eyes. Severely deformed, seizures coming multiple times. 21 years old, but only 3 in the mind. He need Kempton and Kern, his parents 2 of a kind. Without them, he can't sleep, he can't eat, he can't speak. But one day, I heard him sing. Then Christian reminded me of something that I forgot. Every Christian is completely helpless outside of God. Every Christian blind and need the Father to hold their hand. Every Christian fully innocent to the Son of Man. Philippians 1:29, we all suffer the pursuit of being comfortable, we all love it. People who don't seem to have problems, we all covet. If God is a genie in a bottle, we all rub it. He never promised you to keep the pain away, but he did promise to never forsake and to give you grace. He didn't dodge pain, he came down to be let down, looked over and disgraced, you know, relate. So this is for the brokenhearted, just know that God see you, for the one who been waiting, just know that God see you, keep singing and believing and know that God see you, and when you say you hurting, just know that we believe you, you lost a loved one, just know that God see you, embarrassing temptation, just know that God see you, if you suffered abuse, just know that God see you, you can't see him working, but at the cross he seen you.
Okay, I'm one of the ones, a new creation, one who believes I'm a child of God, a holy nation, friend of the king. I'm protected and I'm loved, I'm an heir, so on the seas, I've been forgiven, I have been freed, I have been chosen, I've been redeemed. Okay, I'm one of the ones, one of who? One of the unashamed, I mean unashamed. Never do I hesitate to doubt to call upon his name. Call him mighty God, call him Jesus Christ. He's the King of kings, he's the one who reigns. He's the Alpha, Omega, Jehovah, and we give him glory cause he is the one. Yeah, though we walk through the valley, we will not fear any evil. We running and not growing weary. We soaring on wings like we eagles. We getting rid of our pride and stepping away from our ego. We keep our lips from telling lies, our tongues from speaking the evil. We got on the armor of God, the belt, the truth, the shoes, the peace. We know that the devil's a lie. The word about him will lose and sleep. We be depending on God. He said his grace is all we need. So where we keeping our minds? We keeping our minds stayed on me. Cause he is the one. I done been in the world, but I never been friends with the world. Maybe because I'm not of the world, I don't follow the world. Even if I'm meant to take an L, then it's probably out of this world. I'm a model of the world, I'm a represent God on this earth. In and outside of the church, the Father is first. I don't have a physical Bible, but baby, my Bible that broke. I know God is the one that supplies me with all that I need. That is through Jesus Christ, and I'm certain that all things are possible if you believe. So keep on speaking life. I know from the love of God that nothing can separate me. Not even death, neither life. I know poverty catches up with too much slumber or sleep. So I'ma just sleep at night, and the Lord is my strength. Well, who should I be afraid of? I fall on my knees and repent. He's better than what I done gave her. If I am the one being sent, Satan gon' see what I'm made of. Man, if he had any sins, I'm telling you now, he would change her. It's a delicate thing when I say I'm a step for the king. I put that on everything. What's a mess, now I'm clean. I don't mess with the devilish things. I love and respect Elohim, he be setting us free. We know that all things are working together, declare and decree. Do you know of all the things God has prepared for me? No, it's never been seen. one who believes I am a child of God, a holy nation, friend of the king. I am protected and I am loved. I am an heir, so on the seas. I've been forgiven, I have been freed, I have been chosen, I've been redeemed. Okay, I'm one of the ones. One of who? One of the unashamed, I mean unashamed. Never do I hesitate or doubt to call upon his name. Call him mighty God, call him Jesus Christ. He's the King of Kings, he's the one who reigns. He's the Alpha, Omega, Jehovah, and we give him glory because he is the one.
Devil, I know that you're smart, but I'm not being stupid. Look at the word and I do it. Put on that truth and I stick with the Father. This for your uncle, your sister, your papa. Cut off my old sand for this new life. So I told him, go pick up the chopper. Say what I said, chasing the bread. You selling your soldiers for $200. Cut off that sin, I said, go get the chopper. Know I'm a win, I could do this for hours. I got that truth, I got heavenly power. Yeah, yeah. Saying I ain't phased, can't control me. God's love made me clean, like some Colgate. Why would I stress about that? 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 Beat up the worry, I'm done with the stress. Beat up the lie, I'ma pick up the mess. Beat up the shame, I'ma let go regret. Beat up my mind, I will not be depressed. Beat up the doubt, I was made for success. Not insecure, I was made from the best. If it's my heart, my soul, I'ma show it. Writing these lines, I feel like a poet. Through all the lies, I knew I was chosen. Walking with God, you thought I was joking. He made a king, you thought I was broken. I wanna open the book to Romans. Taking my time, I know where I'm going. Not finna stop, cause I got motion. Why would I stress about that? See how I live in the moment. Devil, I know that you're smart, but I'm not being stupid. Look at the word and I do it. Put on that truth and I stick with the Father. This for your uncle, your sister, your papa. Cut off my old sand for this new life. So I told him, go pick up the chopper. Say what I said, chasing the bread. You selling your soldiers for $200. Why would I stress about that? Why would I stress about that? Why would I stress about that?
Okay, so we really are we just have no volume, and we just aren't moving.
What I am isn't the problem. It was about who I thought I was not. I was struggle cause I didn't know. It was me that was making me stop. When I realized the world I couldn't control, but I could control all my thoughts. Now I'm speaking the truth and I'm speaking to you, and you see how I pick out the spot. When I followed the king, I was living the dream, and I knew it was straight to the top. I was stronger and better than what I was taught, cause I learned I was more like the rock. Why would I waste my time with something that's gonna be a stumbling block? I'm finna take what's mine, and no one gonna tell me I'm not. Why would I stress about that? 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 Why would I stress about that?
Swag, you trying to get rich, huh?
Look, some situations I'm not built to solve them. I don't like arguing, go talk to God about all your problems. Why don't you leave me? You told me that you got plenty options. I'm gonna stay alone, just me and God, I'm moving very cautious. Yeah, I should've knew early on. You said you the one for me, but no, you not P31. I had left your side to clear my mind, so all that hurt and done. So I just see the Lord, cause you weren't made for what I'm worthy of. Really thought you'd be my lady. Now we on two different pages. I ain't even gon' cap, I really thought we was lasting for some ages. Really beat me up like Ali, I thought that you was the greatest. Real. Every time I seek after a woman, I waste plenty time. Seeking after God 24/7 and feel genuine. I've been genuine, but you know what I mean, so never mind. If she don't praise the Lord, then she might as well step right to the side. Yeah, I can't pay no mind, I gotta keep my focus on the King. I'm binding and rebuking all them curses she put over me. I'm running to his land, you got no chance of ever slowing me. The devil cannot hold me for so long, he had control of me. So I just had to step back just like hard and gave my life all to the Son. And I knew we wasn't equal, don't know how this all begun. I'm just gonna serve his holy name until he say my life is done. My heart was on my sleeve, but I just took my sleeve and rolled it up. Yeah, I should've knew early on. You said you the one for me, but no, you not P31. I had left your side to clear my mind, so all that hurt and done. So I just see the Lord, cause you weren't made for what I'm worthy of. Really thought you for some ages. Really beat me up like Ali, I thought that you was the greatest. Real. I don't even care about no motion as long as I'm keeping the word in my heart, it's a rap. Only my family in Christ, I don't need no fake friends in my circle, don't give me no doubt. I don't know why people lying like all in my face, why you capping, just keep it a stack. And Lucifer always try digging a hole, but I promise I'm really not falling for that. I ain't falling for that, always stay on my toes. I got faith, but you already know. Cause the fruits, yeah, they really gon' show. I just stick to my Lord, I don't stick to the code. I gave my whole life to him, but I remember back then in the past, I was selling my soul. Yeah, I had to repent, now I'm living so righteous now. I remember I was doing so wrong. Yeah, I done put my feelings to the side. I told my God I'm stuck with him. Really shot my shot with Jesus Christ. Know I'm too high above the rim. And I had that door of sin just open, now it's closed until the end. I done took some L's throughout my life and now I'm going for the win. Yeah, I should've knew early on. You said you the one for me, but no, you not P31. I had left your side to clear my mind, so all that hurt and done. So I just see the Lord, cause you weren't made for what I'm worthy of. Really thought you'd be my lady. Now we on two different pages. I ain't even gon' cap, I really thought we was lasting for some ages. Really beat me up like Ali, I thought that you was the greatest. Real.
Ayy, just got out the clock. Devil out here stealing crops. If he don't stop, I go Oppenheimer on the arm. It's like a bomb when I drop. Jesus was walking with 12, but they was in the cops. Clayco, we came up on Flocka. Baby, I stay around my dog, but she know I'm a caller. It's me, Katara, and soccer. When I'm with Abba, I'm flying by sin like I'm Apple. Young rapper say he a baller. Must think he Andre Iguodala. He signed for some shrimp and some steak. He must think an entree equal dollars. Follow the author, it's easy to step on your flow, cause he taught me to walk on the water. They think I'm a pop collar, college scholar, alma mater, young Monty B with Abba Father. I came in the room, breaking the rules, making the move. The flow is an ocean, a lake, a lagoon. I was in the waiting room, now they playing my tune. Praying to whom, made it out the grave and tomb. Same mission, ain't switching, plain vision, you can't miss them. I came with the same description, you play games, I'ma break the system. I take aim, that's a vein in your brain, heard they type in my name. But I can't get into the mentions, I pray in the spirit to interdimensions. Interdimensional when I enter mentals through instrumentals. I'm flipping the riddle, I sit with the pencil, I scribble and scrabble, I dabble a little, I dibble a lot with pencil, apostle, got rid of the bottle, I'm switching the throttle. From the south where they listening to Lotto, young Monty, I'm giving them the motto. I came to eliminate, not to administrate. Run it back what I'm finna say. Any demonic rapper can get on my dinner plate. They could never intimidate. If you talk down on Jesus and you make disintegrate, that's how you disintegrate. Time to renovate. Whipping cables, flipping tables. Forget your label, I sit with the angels. Since the cradle, I've been switching angles. Get in the way, I will send your ankles. Scripture change you when it penetrates you. This ain't grade school, but the penetrates you. In the A, Yahweh is who you pray to. In the A, they play you, then betray you. If you drive a Audi, they'll race you. If they want you Audi, they'll race you. No, I ain't changing position. I play like an 89 pistol. Oh no, I ain't past the mic, but if you pass the mic, then I'm spitting. He came from Nazareth, the Calvary catalyst. You can't find a block on Lake and then my shot with no savages. Scavenging, now we apostolic applicants. I just got out the clock. Devil out here stealing crops. If he don't stop, I go Oppenheimer on the op. It's like a bomb when I drop. Jesus was walking with 12, but he wasn't no cop. Clayco, we came up on Flocka. Baby, I stay around my dog, but she know I'm a caller. It's me, Katara, and soccer. When I'm with Abba, I'm flying by sin like I'm Apple. Young rapper say he a baller, must think he Andre Iguodala. He signed for some food on his plate. He must think an entree equal dollars. Follow the author, it's easy to step on your flow when he taught me to walk on the water. They think I'm a pop collar, college scholar, alma mater, young Monty B with Abba Father.
Don't you think like that? I will love you endlessly. If you only believe in me, don't you be like that? I will love you forever. If you only believe in me, yeah.
Back in the O, straight from the 8. I'm walking with God, I don't need a drink. The devil be talking, I don't entertain. I'm walking in faith, I'm sowing my seed. I did it in faith, I gave it to God, and he made it great. Put me in good soil and took out the snakes. Back in the O, straight from the 8. I'm walking with God, I don't need a drink. The devil be talking, I don't entertain. I'm walking in faith, I'm sowing my seed. I did it in faith, I gave it to God, and he made it great. Put me in good soil and took out the snakes. God, I do great at this rate. I'm finna good and I'm done acting fake. Had to step out the crib, I'm done being late. I'm finna walk in the that word, don't need Drakes. But I ain't shooting no demons today. I'ma keep seeking the kingdom with faith. I'ma trust in the truth so he got in my ways. And I hope that you get it today. And I hope that you find in your way. Back in the O, straight from the 8. I'm walking with God, I don't need a Drake. The devil be talking, I don't entertain. I'm walking in faith, I'm sowing my seed. I did it in faith, I gave it to God, and he made it great. Put me in good soil and took out the snakes. God, I do great at his rate.
Don't you think like that? I will love you endlessly.
I got God and he still got my back. Also attached, I don't need a strap. Never thought that he would take me back. I will love you forever. Yeah, now I see the truth. I'm believing in you. Back in the O, straight from the 8. I'm walking with God, I don't need a Drake. The devil be talking, I don't entertain. I'm walking in faith, I'm sowing my seed. I did it in faith, I gave it to God, and he made it great. Put me in good soil and took out the snakes. God, I do great at his rate. Don't you think like that? I will love you endlessly. If you only believe the king. Yeah. Don't you think like that? I will love you forever. Yeah. Cause God, I'm believing in you.
I like that, like, they trying to know who to plug. Like, bruh, it's all God, this ain't no magic. Like, I can't manifest my life, it's all love. If you said it, then it's done. Hey, they like Hobie, how it happen? I say, this all God, this ain't no mellow, bringing hip-hop's finest. Word up to my folks, they the Whittown Diamonds. Can't wait for perfect timing, I gotta put the time in. Car at 105, think I made it through the climate. Sweating through my shirt, man, I was straight dying. Sun in my eyes, ultraviolet. It's funny how the humble be the brightest. You ain't never flipped the switch or take the guidance from me. Kept it driving. This lifestyle that I'm around, way too new to me. My parents came to a show, barely even saw them, know what that do to me. Sometimes I wish you just made two of me. My life so complex, but orchestrated so beautifully. That necktie and that black jacket wasn't suiting me. Don't need no paper on that wall to see the fruit in me. Bear your fruit in me. So truthfully, I can't manifest my life, it's all love. If you said it, then it's done. Hey, they like Hobie, how it happen? I say, this all God, this ain't no magic. I can't manifest my life, it's all love. If you said it, then it's done. Hey, they like Hobie, how it happen? I say, this all God, this ain't no magic. They cut the nonsense, enough with the coincidence. This life is a godsend. Ain't no San Antonio who'll show you who the pops is. When I saw the light, it hit my pupil, caught me Hobson. Let the living water break the levees of my conscience. Yeah, I learned to love him in the process. Once upon a time, there was a man who met the likeness. That's the end of it, cause we lost him to the darkness. Moral of the story, it's gonna always leave you lifeless. Don't fall for the counterfeit, your spirit truly priceless. Yeah, I can't manifest my life, it's all love. If you said it, then it's done. Hey, they like Hobie, how it happen? I say, this all God, this ain't no magic. This ain't no magic. This ain't no magic. This ain't no magic. Yeah, I can't manifest my life, it's all love. If you said it, then it's done. Hey, they like Hobie, how it happen? I say, this all God, this ain't no magic. This ain't no magic. This ain't no magic. Yeah. This ain't no magic. Yeah. This ain't no. I'm tryna be a disciple that's showing my rivals your love over giving them hatred. I'm tryna be a disciple that's living revival. My life is a whole conversation. I'm tryna be a disciple that follow your will whenever the trend is jaded. I'm tryna be a disciple that put on your armor whenever I know I can't take them. Stand with your brothers and sisters in Christ, like they're losing their life cause this mission is dangerous. I got some brothers that's overseas, don't even know him, but trust me, we speak the same language. Yeshua, he walked on the earth, he was on his own turf and his own people let them hang it. What if we seen him in person without no rehearsing? Man, tell me, will we even claim him? Let it breathe. I know I'm the one that need him, and I found my freedom when I found out they hit and beat him. And he hung on a cross, society chose to seat him. You don't need a seat at a table when you got a seat in the kingdom. I can't help but be humble whenever I think of the day that I see him.
Christian, I'm rocking my jewels. Had to drop my sins off in the pulpit. Had to change my mind for me a hood rich.
Hey, I had to stop living like being clueless. I know the city gon' fool with it.
I'm too hot, I'm a Christian. Run on my numbers in with triple digits. Hot in that boat and I just took off fish. Riding around me and Hovey, you know we not missing.
Flow is so classic, I'm rapping with ditches. He coming back, so I'm flipping the kitchen. I'm so despicable, reaching the henchman. I pray that millions gon' run to forgiveness. Breeze, B-town, baby, to the A-town, baby. Breeze, Breeze, B-town, baby, to the A-town, baby. Breeze,
I make it cool. I'm a Christian, I'm rocking my jewels. Had to change my mind for me a hood rich.
This increase in volume is a bit interesting. At 9, 10. I mean, it's cool. It's a bit interesting.
Step in the building, Bible on me. 1, 2, 3, you know we deep. Just like Moses splitting the sea. We walk at the church, I ain't paying the fee.
They got held up here.
He made time for me. Matthew 18, 20.
So, with our thesis, we'll be looking to take this out for liquidity. We're looking to buy to here. Because it was sellers. There's sellers here, so their stop losses. If they're selling, their stop losses are buys. Fuel the buys high. Now we just got to figure out. So it came back to our where. Now we just got to figure out when, the correct timing. Uh, 69 is 5-minute EMA. 5 minutes. This might be a rejection. I need God. I need. And I haven't entered yet because I haven't seen no liquidity get grabbed yet. Right now we're just hitting the level, but we could be, these buys could be fueling liquidity to continue selling. As, yeah. I made time for God. He made time for me. Yeah. Okay. So now all this liquidity just got grabbed. Is this the same 5-minute candle? Same 5-minute candle. I'm on the sample of all that, maybe me. Okay. Turns almost a hammer. Still closed below. So, could be looking for a break of this candle to get in. And this entry is, like I said, break structure, build the liquidity sitting here. Build the liquidity sitting here. Went back up, came back to retest, structure, built more liquidity, grabbed the liquidity, gave a rejection hammer, gave a rejection candle as in this form of a hammer. And this candle shows sellers. Sellers tried to sell. Hold on. I feel like I'm yelling. Okay. this rejection candle. Sellers were in control, pushed price down. Buyers stepped in to push price higher. And I get on the break of candle. Setup looks good to me. Like I said, break structure, retest structure, grab liquidity on a rejection, break candle. We try to ride it higher. We try to ride it higher. Now we'll just see it if it works out in our favor. Price hit EMA, gave a rejection. Now this candle does not have a bottom wick, so this might flip on us. This might flip on us. We might get stopped out because it might not have been time.
Two most important days of your life, the point you became alive, the second one seeing the reason that you was made for this life. Staying up late, you tried working harder to make them proud all around. Just smiling, you're done with seeing your people cry. No lie, Heavenly Father gave me the rest of my life. Out the nest, mommy said go use your wings, I guess I'm fly. I tell her life from time to time I'm constantly dropping, but still I know that I ain't stopping till I reach for the top of the sky. Passionate, so I've been writing, declining the 9 to 5s, they're respecting the fakest lines, don't respect me. I'm not on crimes from watching Let It Shine and Stormzy. Now music, I'm making mine. I've worked so hard at the meaning of taking breaks couldn't define. Say you got a dream and they claim you're crazy until you're right. I was up grinding in the summer, but they were the coldest nights. Don't you climb the hills for the world to see you, but climb the hills to see the road that was a part of God's design. But still, the two most important days of your life, the point you became alive, the second one seeing the reason that you was made for this life. Staying up late, you tried working harder to make them proud all around.
Yeah, the 5 minute gave this is a beautiful hammer rejection. Like I said, it's just a bigger candle of the same story. Sellers, big sell, strength candle. Sellers try to push price lower. Here it hit EMA, and then buyers stepped in to push back higher to start taking control. So now we're looking for, hopefully this candle goes back, but hopefully this candle starts, more buyers start getting in. But our entry looked good on the 1 minute. It looked good on the 5 minute. That's all we can. That's all we can hope for. To get good entry. Now we gotta see if we were correct on our timing.
But much more better in this timing, cause if I live my life too fast, I can't reverse to the memories that I missed due to blinding. Don't know why I was put with the stars, see the way I'm shining. I'ma make it out the mud, applying pressure like a diamond. Hoping you relate up in my shoes when I am writing. I'm just another dreamer from a pillow that's only gone to grinding. Better to be patient, everybody's got their timing, but that don't mean that you gotta stop climbing. The two most important days of your life, the point you became alive, the second one seeing the reason that you was made for this life. Staying up late, you tried working harder to make them proud all around. Just smiling, you're done with seeing your people cry. No lie, Heavenly Father gave me the rest of my life. Out the nest, mommy said go use your wings, I guess I'm fly. I tell her life from time to time I'm constantly dropping, but still I know that I ain't stopping till I reach for the top of the sky.
I'm a new man, yeah, you know I upgraded. Yeah, I had a debt, but my Lord and Savior paid it. You gon' feed me the same way he feed the ravens. If you got a testimony, please don't waste it. I know that I make it to today, but look, I made it. I was so depressed and addicted, I couldn't take it. I was so in love with my sin, but now I hate it. I was in love with my sin, now I hate it. Man, I was smoking every day, was getting faded. I was just running from God, but now I'm staying. I wasn't taking him serious, I was playing. Wanna be free, gotta listen to what I'm saying. I was down so low, I ain't know which way to
faking. I was giving up my soul and I didn't even know the devil tried to take my life, he tried to take it. I was down so bad, then I gave my life back to my God, and my God really saved it. Gave my life to my king and he changed it. I gave my life to my king, I feel amazing. Straight facts, no fiction. He could set you free from your addiction. Your heart is empty, but Jesus is what you missing. Please listen, please listen. I made the right side, boy, I ain't switching. I fell in love with the world, boy, I was tripping. Grew up in the church, but my heart wasn't in it. Said I was Christian, but that's not how I was living. I was chasing money, lusting after women. Gave my life to Jesus Christ, now I'm forgiven. Yeah, now I'm forgiven. Can't you see the difference? I'ma stay right by your side, don't want no distance. Don't want no distance. Stay right by your side, don't want no distance. They say, when it rain, it pours, but he gon' be with you in the storm. Everybody love when he open up doors, but you gotta love him even when he close the door. They say, when it rain, it pours, but he gon' be with you in the storm. Everybody love when he open up doors, but you gotta love him even when he close the door. I was down so low, I ain't know which way to go. Had a smile on my face, but I was faking. I was giving up my soul, and I didn't even know the devil tried to take my life, he tried to take it. I was down so bad, then I gave my life back to my God, and my God really saved it. Gave my life to my king, and he changed it. I gave my life to my king, I feel amazing. I'ma stay right by your side till you come and take me. Devil telling lies, he be tryna play me. I'ma live for Christ even if I look crazy. Jesus said if you love me, obey me. The devil tryna take you back, but don't let him take you. If you say you got faith, gotta stay faithful. And I know you feeling broken, but keep hoping. Sometimes he gotta break you so he can make you. And it's a new life he wants to give you. I know your heart broke, but let him heal you. I know you empty, but let him fill you. Just give your life to Jesus Christ and let him heal you. Let him free you. Let him free you. Oh, let him free you. Just let him free you. I was down so low, I ain't know which way to go. Had a smile on my face, but I was faking. I was giving up my soul, and I didn't even know the devil tried to take my life, he tried to take it. I was down so bad, then I gave my life back to my God, and my God really saved it. Gave my life to my king, and he changed it. I gave my life to my king, I feel amazing.
With how prices stalled now, it's building liquidity again. So it seems like we're going to end up relying on open to push us in a direction. Hopefully that direction is in our favor, but it seems we're going to need open to push to get price jumping. What would be nice is, we start getting closer to open, volume starts picking up. We already start pushing before open, and then open carry is higher. That would be ideal. Well, we'll see.
Rocky, hear your father, turn your cheek, don't fight. I'm rapping my tail off, I'm shipping the mail off. I'm getting my prayers off, taking my hands off. I wake in the morning, then get out the box like Kellogg's. So much from day to day, feel like a featherweight, gave it to God to take care of. Hey, few, I let go, let God. Let me go catch my red eye. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
I am KB, that there 1K, tell them twin identical. Pride on minimal life behind these thoughts, my album criminal. I can't do subliminals, what you
get treated exactly how they should. I'll spin the block and then repeat it. Death is defeated. He left the tomb and they seen it. I mean it when I say if they talking down, I won't receive it. I'm reloaded, that word I keep like a blicky. Who you think you spooking? Father, Son, and Spirit riding with me. Hold up. Fear no evil, speak no evil, be no evil. Fear no evil, speak no evil, be no evil. Fear no evil, speak no evil, be no evil. Fear no evil, speak no evil, be no evil. I'm no stranger to danger, I'm chillin', the Savior got me. In my mama prayers, she asked them angels to watch me. See them redo my moves cause they scoping and try to copy. But it doesn't hit the same if their intentions isn't godly. I'm just saying no, I ain't playing no. I'm charging up, I'm on my Super Saiyan flow. I'm from a place a lot of people wouldn't know. If it's evil trying to step, then we gon' tell them where to go. That's for sure. Hold up. Fear no evil, speak no evil, be no evil. Fear no evil, speak no evil, be no evil. Fear no evil, speak no evil, be no evil. Fear no evil, speak no evil, be no evil.
Look, get my light to Christ, ain't thinking twice. Yeah, I had to pray, I'm like, Lord, give me a sign. Yeah, this world is so cold, yeah, it's filled with ice. Without Jesus, I'ma tell you, ain't nobody on your side. Put your hands up, gotta fight for your life. Yeah, this world filled with lust and anger, it's filled with pride. Yeah, we broke God's laws, and he ain't gon' let it slide. That's why we got Jesus, he the one who paid the price. So I'ma live for him, cause for me, yeah, he died. Yeah, he washed away my sins, set me free, and that night you gon' see him in the sky, the end of times. Rapture, you know I'm taking flight. Yeah, I'm taking flight. Real Christ disciple, you can see it in my eyes. Shorty told me that she love me, I'm like, you don't gotta lie. I ain't forcing you to stay, cause my Lord on my side. If I'm fasting in the day, then I'm praying through the night. If we going down the same path, then I might. And we do not need no Maybach to take a ride. All my problems gotta face that, ain't that right?
Alright, so far trade looking good. We got overs open now. Come on.
But I got my brothers up in Christ, it ain't no sad case. Get my light to Christ, ain't thinking twice. Yeah, I had to pray, I'm like, Lord, give me a sign. Yeah, this world is so cold, yeah, it's filled with ice. Without Jesus, I'ma tell you, ain't nobody on your side. Put your hands up, gotta fight for your life. Yeah, this world filled with lust and anger, it's filled with pride. Yeah, we broke God's laws, and he
Open's not giving the buy pressure I was looking for. Let's see if this EMA retest helps. 5 minute looks good. Let's just follow through. Let's just follow through. It's one of the smallest smallest New York Open candles recently. That doesn't look good. Yeah, that doesn't look good. We have buying open. We have buying before open. Open comes in. We got more sellers than buyers at open. Buyers try to step in at EMA, but we still got some more sellers than buyers. See if we can get a hold down here.
We out here speaking the word.
We still have 5 minute EMA. 5 minute EMA, 69. 5 minute doesn't look good now. It's like a complete reversal. We got buyers stepping in, but sellers are in control. Keep shutting them down. I just realized that open candle, well, right there at open, hit the last high it made before it started falling. Just all these mini levels holding resistance. Okay, 5 minute looks good. That whole red candle just got reversed. Seems like buyers in control. Okay, we broke through this level. Now we just gotta close. What do you mean? You must have gotten to the top, didn't you? Where'd you get in that? Where'd you get in that? Well, this isn't good. 74, 25. Yeah, you got it like right there at the top. Yeah, this isn't good. That major green came at the close below this 74, 75 level. There must be some strong resistance sitting here. 74, 75 to 76, 50. If we can close above these levels, it should be good. My entry is 71 flat. Like I said, I entered way earlier. I'm gonna break out even a minute. Like I Kit Kat. Okay, it's close above. That's a good sign. Good sign. 5 minute. Yeah. I mean, it's decent. It's decent. It's almost good, but it's decent. As long as we can keep closing above. Oh no, this one didn't close above 76.50. We need to close above the 76.50 with strength. With strength. If this pulls back, I'm hoping to say EMA retest. But yeah, 5 minutes not looking too good for us. this is also a reason why we can't trust getting in on trades in the center of these zones. It just flips like green. This looks good, right? It just flips back green. It's gonna turn into like a green hammer. 5 seconds. Didn't flip, but it's still a hammer. Oh wow. Okay, let's keep going. It held its last level as support, which is good. Now we gotta break this 7650 level. It really is just a bunch of mini levels that keep holding up. That's not good. Yeah, that one candle completely split the 5-minute candle. This candle has no bottom wick. For New York Open, this was a very weak open. That candle closed with no bottom wick. That's crazy. It still closed below the 7650 level. We need some more. Yeah, it's gonna pull down. We need a pull back for liquidity to shoot us higher. But it's that same low it was stuck at since 7:30. Sell's really pushing, right? I think it's the biggest candle yet today. 4 5. Yeah, this is the biggest candle yet today. 5 5. It came all the way back to my entry. 6-point candle. This is a crazy candle. Wow. Let's see if this level still holds. I have this level at 6950, which also aligns with the 5-minute EMA. This holding was the reason why I haven't closed this trade yet. is about to get taken out. Man, that was a massive candle. If we can get buyers to step in, that's enough. That's enough sell liquidity. Oh, look, it closed above. Body closed above this 69.50 level. Buyers might be stepping in. I might get taken out before. Yeah, I got taken out. Dang, that sucked. I was up 5. Right? I was up 650. Man. I guess timing wasn't right. Yeah. Close. Day margin. Now this pushes. Do we take the chance again? Let me see if I can figure out what the margin is. Yeah, it's happening again. May have mistimed it. Now this looks good. About almost a point above my original entry. Not the greatest. Oh, that EMA touch was not good. Yeah, that EMA rejection is not good. Yeah, okay, I'm closing. Closing for the day. First trade, proper analysis, proper entry. Price just hit a resistance level. Sellers are really holding. One candle wiped out all profits, and then giant hammer taking me out. And then gave a green hammer, try to get in. Believing in the analysis, given price closed twice above. So believe in analysis, got in on a hammer, became liquidity. Not much to it. 2 losses, end of the day. Man, that's rough.
Sorry to tell you, but your time is up. It's vert. We way up. Let's go. Okay.
Rise and shine, good morning. 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 Rise and shine, good morning.
Yeah, now price is being indecisive. Yeah, I'm closing charge now.